until we need to drink it. Sure, we know it's healthy, but it just doesn't taste as exciting as all those flavored drinks, which means we drink a lot less water and a whole lot more of that junk.
Hey!
So, we decided to put some fun into drinking water with the Right Cup. It's the world's first ever fruit-flavored cup designed to get people drinking more water. And we believe it's gonna be a real game changer. So, how does it work?
Whoa!
Well, for starters, our brain identifies flavor using two main senses, taste and smell. That's why we inserted innovative, FDA-approved fruit scent and flavor directly into the Right Cup. So when you drink water from it, your nose picks up the fruity aroma, your tongue senses the hint of a sweet taste, when in fact, you're only drinking natural water.
Oh, wow, sounds great. But does it work?
Well, we asked ourselves that very same question. So we put the Right Cup to the test with our orange-flavored prototype.
This is not just water. It tastes like something else.
Just water? It's crazy.
Brilliant. Just brilliant.
This is Darren, the CrossFit enthusiast. While he has the energy to do 500 squat thrusts wearing a lead vest, he somehow lacks the energy to rinse out his smoothie cups. This is Cheryl from Book Club. She prefers her novels steamy and her Merlot from a box, as her wine glass will surely attest. This is sweet little Georgie. He likes to drink and burp up formula from his favourite bottle here. They're all wonderful folks, but they leave a trail of hard-to-clean cups, glasses and bottles. It's why we created the First Wave Glass Rinser, the solution to the age-old problem of dried-on gunk. Just press downward and high-pressure water jets upward, powering away remnants before they have a chance to dry. The glass rinser is also ideal for washing narrow items like bottles and champagne flutes. In a home bar, you can use it to pre-rinse clean pint glasses or mugs. It was designed and built by the people at First Wave, the innovation lab inside Delta Faucet Company. It installs in a standard countertop hole. So if you have an open spot after installing a new faucet, or if you want to replace an old soap pump, it's an easy upgrade. Order your First Wave glass rinser today, for yourself or for them.
I understand how frustrating it is to struggle through food prep with a dull knife. There has to be a better way to always have a sharp knife in my kitchen. Unfortunately, all knives get dull, even ours. New Edge Knives offers the world's first and only kitchen knife with a disposable blade. Dull blades can be recycled or put in the trash. The knife you're going to reach for in your kitchen is the sharpest one you've got. So, when a blade gets dull, just push the release button and remove the blade. Insert a new ultra-sharp blade, and you are immediately ready to continue slicing and dicing. New Edge knives come with either 3 or 6 factory sharp blades. It's like having 3 knives in one. That's enough cutting power to keep your kitchen going for months or even a year. New Edge knives are dishwasher safe, stain resistant, and come with a 1-year warranty. New Edge knives are always the sharpest knife in your kitchen.
Our world is getting connected at a staggering pace. Yet, when it comes to food storage, we're doing it the same way our parents did. Introducing Silo, a first-of-its-kind smart storage system with a fresh new experience. Silo is designed to work in any kitchen, and with our special BPA-free containers, it allows you to effortlessly store your food, keeping it fresh up to 5 times longer. Silo's patented technology is the only one-step vacuum sealer on the market. Simply place one of our unique containers on the base, gently press down. Within seconds, the container is perfectly sealed. Unlike other traditional sealers available today, Silo lets you store your food without the hassle, allowing you to focus on what's really important. Plus, our smart vacuum methods preserve food freshness for longer. Feel like grabbing a snack? Simply press the rocker to release the seal, then close the lid and place it on the base again. Easy peasy. Finished with Silo? Lift the base to stow it away and keep your counter neat and tidy. We've also created an easy way to keep track of your food freshness. Introducing Silo's Freshness Manager with Amazon Alexa. It combines the best of internet connectivity and smart sensors to streamline your connected kitchen. Every time you store something new on the device, it will be automatically added to your inventory.
Please state the container's content.
Strawberries.
Okay, I've added strawberries to your inventory.
Silo will always know how long your food has been stored and if your food is fresh.
Alexa, is the chicken still okay?
The chicken should be good for at least 5 more days.
Plus, since Silo weighs your food, it always knows how much you have, making sure you are always stocked.
Alexa, how much coffee is left?
You have 2 ounces of coffee. Based on your consumption, it should last for a week.
Silo can also be used as a smart scale, your kitchen Alexa hub. And of course, because it is built on the cloud, it will always get smarter. Silo. Keep food fresher longer.